Hello everyone. Good afternoon students. Students, in last session we already have studied addition of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Okay, and word problem based on it. Now in this session we will solve examples which is based on subtraction of 6 and 7 digit number. Okay, before starting this session, I have to ask you, that is, have you completed your homework? Okay, if you have not completed yet, so complete it on time and maintain your notebook. So let's start with this example. Here, today we have to study subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Okay, now one example I have written here, that is 65,07,843 minus 9,25,586. Okay, now we have to do this subtraction. Firstly, let's see. Here are 7 digit number, and here is the 6 digit number. Now here we have to make columns for the subtraction, like we have done for the addition. Okay, now here seven columns we have to make here. Okay. Now places we have to write here. That is unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, and 10 lakh place. One column we have to write for the borrow. Okay, now see, 65 lakh 7,843 minus 9,25,586. Now this answer we have to write. Okay. Now see. Here is the subtraction of that digit. See, 3 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract 6 from 3? Yes? No. Why? Because 6 is greater than 3 and we cannot subtract greater number from the smaller number. So what we have to do here? Yes, we should take one borrow from the next number. Yes, so here next number is that 4. Here remaining 3 tens, and here will comes 10, 1 tens plus this 3, 13. Okay, now we can subtract 6 from 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now here remaining 3. Okay. Now 3 minus 8, it is not possible. Yes. So what we have to do here? Again we have to take borrow from next number. That means 8 is there. So here remaining 7. And if we will take one borrow here. So here will come 30. Yes. 3 is remaining and 1 borrow means 1 tens we are taking here. 10 plus 3, 30. Now 13 minus 8. Yes, 13 minus 8. 5 is there. Have you understood what I do here? What I done here? See, here only remaining 3 are there. So what I have done here, I take one borrow from this number. Next place, here remaining 7, and then here will comes 1, that is total number. If suppose 3 is there, and if we have got, if we'll take borrow from next number, then total number will be 13 here. Okay, that's why I have written here 30. Okay, now 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 minus 5, is it possible? Yes, is it possible? 7 minus 5 is 2. Again 7 minus 5. Yes, 2 is there. Okay. Now see the next place. 0 minus 2. Is it possible to subtract 2 from 0? No. So what we have to do here? We should take one borrow from the next number. Okay. So here, when we take borrow from next place, that is from 5, then there will be remain 4, and then 1 will comes here, and then 0 is equal to 10. Yes, means 1 tens will we are taking from next number. Yes, so here 10 minus 2, that is 8. Now again 4 minus 9. Is it possible? No. That's why we are taking one borrow from next number, and here will come 14. Yes. So 14 minus 9 is 5, and here this 5 as it is we have to write here. Okay. So what will be the answer? 55,82,257 is the answer. Downside you have to write answer, that is 55 lakh 82,257. This is the answer. By answer we have got by doing this subtraction. Okay, so while doing the subtraction, if you have to add one more column upstairs of this column, then also you can do it. Okay, in next example we can see like that. If you have not understand yet, so I will repeat one example again. Here, next example I am giving to you, that is four lakh 5,000 825 minus 9876. So students, we will solve this example here. Next example, that is 4,05,825 minus 9,876. Okay, so for that we have to make columns here. Now see, 6-digit number is there. That's why we have to make 6 columns are here. Yes. Okay. Now we have to write its places: unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay. One more column I am adding here. 4,05,825 minus 9,875. Now see here, one column I added here, one more. Now, sorry, 76 is there, so okay. 5 minus 6, is it possible to subtract 6 from 5? No, that is why? Because 6 is bigger than 5. Okay, so what we have to do? We should take one borrow from the next number. That means here 2 is there. If we have taken, if we will take one borrow from 2, then there will remain 1, and here will comes 10 plus 5 units, that is 50. 15 minus 6, 9 is there. Okay, now 1 minus 7, is it possible? No. So, should take one borrow from next number, and here will comes 11. Okay, that means 11 minus 7, we have to do this subtraction. Then what will be the answer? 11 minus 7. Okay, 11 minus 7 is 4. Yes. Now 7 minus 8. Is it possible? No, not yet. Again we have to subtract. Again we have to take one borrow from the next number. Then here will remain 4, and here will comes 1. Means 1, and this 7 means 70. Okay, 1 tens and 1 70. If we are taking one borrow, that means we are taking 1 tens. Okay, so here from tens we are taking 1, then here 17. Now from 100 place we are, from 1000 place we are taking. If we are taking 1, then there will remain 4, means 1000 we are taking there, from there. So here 1 subtract from 5, then there will remain 4. Now 17 minus 8. Yes. How much? 17 minus 8. Correct. 9. Okay. Now 4 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So here. So take borrow from the next number. Now next place is what? 0. So can we take borrow from 0? No. That's why what we have to do? We should take one borrow from the next place. So here is the next place, that is lakh place. Here will remain 3. If you are taking 1 from it, here will comes 10. Okay. Because 0 is there. Now we are taking 1 from this 10. So here will remain 9. And then here will comes 1 plus 4, that is 10 plus 4, that is 14. Yes, now 14 minus 9, 5. 9 as it is we have to write, and this 3 also as it is we have to write. So what is the answer? 3,95,949. Okay, see in first example I have not added one more column there, but in this example I have added one more column upstairs to write these numbers again. Okay, means after taking borrow you have to write numbers like that here. Okay, so remember this. Like this you have to solve examples which is based on subtraction. Okay. Now we will solve some examples from your problem set. So problem set. See students, problem set 10 is based on subtraction of 4-digit number. Okay, 4 and 5-digit number. So, sorry, 5-digit number. So, that examples you have to solve for your self-study. Okay, now from problem set 11, we will see some example. Subtract is the question. First example, 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. So here we should make columns. Compulsory make columns. Okay, with the help of your scale and pencil. Now see, this is the 6-digit number, so we should make columns here. 6 columns we have to make. Places you have to write unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 2 columns you have to make. 2 more rows you have to add here for the borrowing the number. And then number 8,57,513 minus, remember to give minus sign, 82,256. Now we have to do this subtraction. Okay. Now see here. 3 minus 6. Is this possible to subtract 6 from 3? No. So what we have to do? Borrow from the next number. So here is the 1. Here will remain 0. And here becomes 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Now 13 minus 6. Yes, 13 minus 6 is 7. Now 0 minus 5, is it possible? No. So we have to take borrow from the next number. Here will remain 4, and then here will comes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2 is there. 7 minus 2, yes, correct, 5 is there. Now 5 minus 8, is it possible? No. So that's why we have to take one borrow from next number, and here will comes total number 15. 15 minus 8, 7, and 7 minus 4, 3. So what is the answer? Last answer you have to write, that is 3,75,257. Okay, means like this you have to write the answer 75,257. Okay, means after doing this subtraction we have got this answer, that is 3,75,257. Okay students, like this we have to solve the example. Next example we will solve. Second one, that is 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. Okay, so here make the columns. 7-digit numbers is there, so 7 columns you have to make here. Unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Write down the number. 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. Now do this subtraction. Okay, now see here, 9 minus 3, is it possible? So 9 minus 3, we will get the answer 6. Is this possible to subtract 2 from 1? No, because 2 is greater than 1. That's why we should take one borrow from next number. That is 11. 11 minus 2. Why 11? Because we have taken one borrow from this next place. That's why 10 plus 1, 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. That is 0 property of subtraction. If we have subtract number from the same number, then we will get the answer 0. 1 minus 0, 0 or 1? Yes? Correct. Here will come 1. Because if you have subtract 0 from any number, then we will get answer same number. And 3 minus 0, 3, and 1 minus 1, 0. Yes. So, what will be the answer here? See, 3,10,096. This is the answer. 3,10,096. Okay? Like this, you have to write the answer. Okay, students. So, here I have solved some examples which is based on subtraction. How to do the subtraction? Whatever properties we have seen in subtraction session, means I took the properties of subtractions. Okay, so what is the subtrahend, subtracted? So the numbers which we have to subtract. See the number. If the number is smaller than means greater than the subtracted numbers that we have to subtract. So we have to take. Remember, we have to take borrow from the next number. And if we are taking borrow from next number, we are taking 1/10 from there. Okay, means tens, 100, whatever place is there. Okay, so add remaining number in it, and if you are taking borrow from the next number, then remember to write subtracted number there. Means if you are taking 1 from 3, so here will remain 2. Like this, remember all the things while doing this subtraction. Okay, so remaining examples from this problem set you have to solve for the homework. Okay, and remaining part, that means word problems from this lesson, that we will see in the next session. So students, see you in the next session. Bye bye.